What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I want to give a warning out there to all of the new stackers, all the new silver investors about the 2022 silver coins that you're going to be seeing coming out very shortly. In fact, some of them are already out, so let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm sure you've seen by now a lot of the 2022 silver coins are already starting to come out. There's the Year of the Tiger coins that the Perth Mint is doing, and we're very shortly going to see the 2022 silver Britannias are going to be shipping. I'm sure we're going to see the Somali elephants, the maple leafs from Canada come out pretty early. Usually the American Silver Eagles don't come out until like January, so I don't expect we'll see those anytime soon. But I do know the Britannias are coming out very soon. I actually got my first 2022 silver coin the other day. It was the 007 one, and we'll show you the date here. You can see at the bottom, 2022. So yes, they're already out. They're already starting to be released, which is not a surprise. I mean, it's only October of 2021, but this is typically when we see this stuff start coming out. This is actually pretty cool because it sort of matches the 2021 007 coin, so you can see the dates there. Pretty sweet. But anyway, I wanted to put a warning out there to everyone to be careful when you're buying these coins for the next year. Now, the reason you need to be careful is because sometimes websites will sell the 2022 coins for a little bit higher of a premium on the initial release as compared to what the premium will be later in the year. And I'm talking about the collectible type stuff. I'm not talking about your average bullion. Now, it is possible that a website would sell a regular bullion coin with the new date on it more expensive than the previous year's date. I'm not saying that's unheard of. We have seen that before. For example, I have a 2019 kangaroo right here. Now, when the 2022 kangaroos come out, I'm not looking at buying them because of the date. The date is irrelevant. I don't care what the date is. I want to buy the cheapest kangaroos possible, right? So if I go on the website and they got 2022s, 2021s, and then maybe random date kangaroos, I'm just going to buy whichever one is the cheapest. It doesn't matter to me. Now, if the 2022 happens to be on sale, it's a better deal, whatever, then yeah, I'm going to buy that, but I don't really care. Now, typically the coins that we do see a little bit higher of a premium out the gate are going to be your collectible ones like the Lunar series, maybe the Kookaburras, the koalas, that type of stuff. So a lot of Perth Mint is going to be slightly more expensive as compared to later in the year. And of course, I'm talking about premiums. I'm not talking about spot price. And the reason they do this is because everyone is excited for these new releases. They want to pick them up, add them to their collection. They're trying to buy them every single year. So as soon as they come out, they're really excited. They go buy them. But if they had just waited 6 months, you'd see they'd be in the bargain bin on these websites. The websites will have thousands and thousands of these coins sitting around. They're wanting to get rid of them. And so we'll see a sale on the Year of the Tiger silver coins in June of 2022. Mark my words, this is the case a lot of the time. Now, will silver spot price be much higher in June of 2022 and you're actually paying a lot more than you would be if you bought them right now? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you exactly how everything's going to pan out, but I can tell you that I've seen this exact same thing happen year after year. So just a warning out there to the new stackers. Make sure that you're buying the cheapest bullion if you're just buying for stacking. Now, there actually is one reason I wouldn't buy the dirt cheapest bullion for stacking, and that would be if the coins were super damaged. So damaged coins are typically called cull coins, C-U-L-L. And that just means they're either really badly milk spotted, like this Krugerrand right here. Perhaps they're all scratched up, dinged up, damaged. I actually don't think it is a great idea to be buying those, because when you go to resell, you're not going to get the same premium back as if you were selling a BU coin of the same type. So this Krugerrand, I'm going to get less money for than if I was selling a BU or Brilliant Uncirculated, great looking Krugerrand, because the dealer is going to have to resell it at a discount because it is damaged. So maybe I'll get $1 or $2 under spot for this, where I would get maybe spot or a little bit over spot for a BU Krugerrand. So I don't like buying the coal and damaged coins. To me, it's just not a good idea, because maybe they're only 50 cents or $1 cheaper than the other type. So I like buying just the BU stuff, but that's just one example of where I wouldn't buy the absolute cheapest. Another example would be in my video I made about silver bars. There's lots of different sizes of bars, and some are better than others. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up in the corner, as well as a link down below in the description. Definitely go check that one out. Lots of good information on bars. Now, coming back to the 2022 silver coins, I will say that I did see the 2022 Somali elephants selling on AppMex for a greater price than the 2021 Somali elephants over on JM Bullion. So sometimes you actually can get the previous year cheaper than the next year in these collectible series. Now, I know AppMex has got crazy prices. In fact, AppMex is selling the 2021 elephants for more than they're selling the 2022. But I just wanted to show you that sometimes you can find the previous years cheaper, and obviously you should be shopping around. Don't just go to one website and buy all of your bullion there. Go to multiple websites, because some of them might be having sales, and then obviously you need to check with your local coin shops, because you can find the best deals locally. However, they're not going to have the large selection as the online retailers. So if you are looking for these collectible type coins like the koalas, etc., you're probably going to have to buy those online. Now, is it the end of the world if you end up buying a kookaburra or a koala for $1 or maybe $2 more than you could have paid if you had just waited a little bit? No, it's not the end of the world, and probably you're buying this for your collection, not really buying it for your stack, like if you were buying Philharmonics or something like that. I mean, I don't think there's really anyone that collects every single year of the Phillies. I mean, maybe there is, I don't know, but I think that's kind of weird. When you're buying regular bullion, the year doesn't matter. That's really what I wanted to get across in this video. And also, you should know that the koalas, kookaburras, the pandas, these silver coins that change designs every year, they have massive mintages. I mean, sometimes the Chinese pandas have a mintage of like 10 million. So if you're buying the new design thinking it's going to be worth a lot more in the future, it's probably not. I mean, yeah, these things are fun to collect, but they're not really semi-numismatic coins like some of the other ones which are released that have significantly smaller mintages, like the Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, stuff like that. They really need to have a mintage of under like 50,000 to have any chance of going up quite a bit in the future, unless it's something super popular like American Silver Eagles. Maybe if it's a special release of only 100,000 mintage or something like that, it could do fairly well as a semi-numi, but that's not a guarantee, obviously. So anyway, what do you all think of the new 2022 coins coming out? Have you purchased any for yourself? Definitely leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons, out.